Hi, I'm Mr. Wolf. Some people think it's weird that I talk with the side of my mouth, but I can also talk like this. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Sarah Hatoff, and here we have the crime-fighting Dog Man.
Actually, my name is Mr. Wolf. Yeah.
Okay, whatevs. Look, Mom, I'm on TV. Hi, Mr. Wolf.
Hey, Stuart.
Hey, guys.
High five. So, today we're going to talk about math. I love math. Well, okay then. Multiplication. Let's just get rid of this. And now 14 times 15. So, who wants to solve this problem?
Me.
Stuart?
Yes. Okay. There. That's it. Thank you.
Now, can you show your work?
Okay. There.